Hey, my name is Jeremy Mira, and I just want to share with you why logo design is important. Logo design helps build trust, it helps legibility, it helps express, your personality, your brand story, and it also shows you as a professional in the industry. It's the first impression someone sees. When someone looks at your logo, you want it to be memorable. You want someone to see it and look and can tell right away what you do and what it is that you're representing. It's so important that you invest in a logo design because later down the track, as your brand and business grows, you want to make sure that you have a good identity system that can be identified by your community and your tribe, and as well as, uphold your brand equity and recognition. So a good logo will build trust, it will show you as a professional, it will offer value, it will also help people, see you as an authority, and ultimately it's going to improve your sales, it's going to improve, your marketing, and it's going to make your business grow a lot quicker. So it's important that you invest in a logo design. There's so many benefits to it, and you want people to see you as a proper business. You want people to take you seriously. So a logo design is key to building that rapport, building that trust, and ultimately making a mark in whatever industry you're in. I'm here to help you design an identity that you're going to benefit from, that's going to bring value to your audience, as well as help you have that fundamental starting point of good design that will be functional, that will help you, grow your business and work together in your team, as well as, show your services and your products to the world in a professional manner that's going to, boost your brand recognition.